Hey guys, it's me. Anyways, I just wanted to show you to add what is it called? A grid. Maybe that's what it's called. Okay, so you come up here to home and pick your all-stars. I'm going to pick winter because spring already has the stuff there. Okay, then we're going to go click on add. We're going to go down here to lists. And then we're going to scroll down in lists and table master plus. Add again. Here's your thing. Put it below the all-stars. Then you go to settings. And you go to upload your Google spreadsheet. Click it. And this will be it. So then once you're here to upload your Google spreadsheet, then you're going to go to your Google Drive, and I'll just find one. Just do all-star. Pick the Winter 2008 All-Stars. So here it is. And you gotta make sure the division, that first and last name, the spring one has 2 spaces in it. It needs to be changed. So then you go to File, and you go Publish to the Web. Then here is the link. So you take this link, Control Copy, then you go to here, Command Paste, hit Submit. Now it's there. Okay, now if we want to change the colors, you go to Settings, and then you click on here, Settings, Alignment Left, Limit Column, Show Header and Footer. We don't want those because we don't have, maybe I have to click that. Show Header and Footer. Okay. We want to search. Allow sorting? No. We want it to stay the same. We don't want them to be able to sort it. We want it to stay the same. So search. Design. Now you can change your colors. Make it look better. See how it changes? Lets you see. Okay. Background. Title text. You can make it white. You can see what they are. Okay. Okay. Then, so now we can see them. You can make it back to settings and mobile view. Scroll. They can scroll. And that might be fixed or according to content. If you click this button, it makes it the whole. Cool, okay, just a minute. Okay, and we X, then we hit publish. Done. Now it's there. Now if we do preview, we're here. They're all in one long line. I'll just scroll through it. If we search up, let's say search up Biaggi, there's all the Biaggis. So these are people that are in the team Biaggi, and then it has Matteo Biaggi and you know, so whatever. So if you want PADU, PADU. There's that. So it just makes it easier to find it. That's how you do it. You leave this here. So now, let's say the season's done. We're doing a new, this is over. We don't want people to see the old rosters. Then we would go back to our editor. We'd click on the table master. We click on settings. And we just erase this. Delete. Submit. There it goes. It just leaves it blank. Publish. Done. Now it just stays here, so now it's time to do it again. All you do is go to this page, click your settings, and enter that Google spreadsheet. Okay, so this doesn't need to be erased. It will stay. You set it up. It's good. That's all you have to do. Sorry for Nike in there. Alright. Hope this helps.